Christine Allswiger and Troy Lerum. Mr. Pete Langworthy with Bonnie Indy. We have a waltz tango foxtrot round. 3 couples. Your first dance is the waltz. Music, please. American waltz. Thank you, Pete and Bonnie. We'd like to invite on the floor Mr. Scott Hertogs with his partner Bonnie Indy. Put your hands together for Scott and Bonnie, ladies and gentlemen. And the dance is tango. Music, please. Choua Shane, ladies and gentlemen. And put your hands together for Scott and Bonnie. And the tango. Thank you, Scott. And we invite Pete back onto the floor. We also invite Miss Chris Scarlett with her partner Chris Campaign. And your dance is foxtrot. Music, please.